let us develop a logic to retrieve even numbers from a list of numbers available. Logic to retrieve or to display even numbers from a list of numbers. Start, and in the next step we have to take the list. So input to list, that means you can type the list from the keyboard, or you can take an existing list of numbers as L. Then in the third step we want to use a for loop to retrieve the elements from the list. So I am writing for I is equal to L0. L0 is the first element or 0th element, the beginning element in the list, to Ln, where n is the last element position number. So Ln is the last element in the list. So what I am doing is, starting from 0th element till nth element, I am reading one by one into I. That means I represents a 0th element, then first element, then second element, then third element up to nth element. That means I represents all elements starting from beginning till the end of the list. All elements it will represent. Suppose I write print I, that means display I, it will display all elements. But we don't want to display all elements. What we want is to display or to retrieve only even numbers. That means this I, whichever the element I am displaying, if this I is even, then only I have to display that. So how can I know I is even or not? If I %2, that means percent is an operator that is also called modulus operator. It gives us remainder of division. That means it will divide I by 2 and gives the remainder. If that remainder is 0, that means what? I is exactly divisible by 2 without remainder. So I is divisible by 2 without remainder means I is a even number. Then I have to print that I. That means I can write then print this I value. Otherwise, we don't want that element or I. So we are interested only in even numbers. So if I is even, then print that I. Then in the next step, I can stop. So this is how you can write a logic for retrieving only even numbers. Let us write the equivalent Python program to retrieve even numbers from a list of given numbers or a group of given numbers. So in the algorithm, the second step is input list L. That means we have to take a list. The list name I am taking as L. Let me take some sample elements in the list. I am taking 2 and then 5, 6, 7, 8, 0 and 10. So these are the elements I am taking in the list. So here you are having even numbers as well as odd numbers also. For example, 2 is even number, 5 is odd, 6 is even, 7 is odd, 8 is even number, 0 is neither even nor odd, it is neutral. Again 10 is even number. So we are supposed to retrieve only even numbers from this list of numbers. Let me write the for loop. For I in Python, this is the syntax or format of for loop. You have to write for variable in the sequence or list. Here sequence means group of elements, that is nothing but list. So for I in L colon means I am going to the body of the for loop. If I, that means that element percent 2 is equal to 0 divisible by 2, then I want to print this I value. That means it is even number, so I want to print that I value. Now observe this for loop. I values are taken from L, that means I value will be 2. Then I percent 2, is that 2 divisible by 2? Yes, so print I, so it will display 2 because it is even number. Then I value will be 5. Then 5% 2, that means if you divide 5 by 2, are you getting the remainder 0? No, 5 is not divisible by 2. Then it will not execute this. Why? Because 5% 2 is not equal to 0. This condition is false. Then this statement is not executed. So it will not display 5. Take the next number 6. So I value will be next number, next element 6. 6 is divisible by 2. So this condition is true. Then it will display 6. So in this manner, it will retrieve only even numbers from this list. File save, run module. So you will see the even numbers 2, 6, 8, 0 and 10. But we know already this 0 is neither even nor odd. So you should not put 0 into even number series. Even numbers will start from 2, not from 0. So this 0 we should eliminate. 0, why we are getting 0? Because 0 is divisible by 2. 0 by 2, remainder is 0. So it is giving me 0 also. But I don't want that 0. So what I have to do, I can write something like this. And I, that means I should be divisible by 2 and I should not be equal to 0. I not equal to 0. Then only you display that I value. So I should not be equal to 0. This exclamation is equal to means not equal. So please remember in Python, this is equality symbol. Two equal symbols. This is equality. So you are comparing. And not equal, this is coming under not equal. And or also you can write in the statements. So this is coming under not equal, exclamation is equal to. So that's what I have written here. If I is divisible by 2 and I is not equal to 0, then only display that I, that is even number. So I saved the program again and run module. You can see 2, 6, 8, 10 only, and there is no 0 now. 0 is not even number, so we are not displaying that 0 in the output now. So this is the proper program.